Yo guys, I want to give you a heads up what are the latest developments all around the world of HPCrazy and Dr. Pink and the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I've been working extremely hard in the past months to adapt to the, I would say, challenges of today's world, in today's digital world, and I found a solution which will help to make the whole thing sustainable. But we of course need your help as well, because it only works, if we have a connection with each other. And what is happening now is, first of all, some of you guys probably know I'm doing many things as a musician. I'm not only a guitar player, I'm also a piano player, I'm a composer. I'm doing concert with my specific concept Farbmusik, where that's the colors you always see, where I connect colors with music, And this is all, I put this all together now on one website. And this is HPCrazy.com, which is my normal name. Well, HPCrazy is also a normal name. But anyhow, that's what is happening, and there is the central part, is the biggest part, there is the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, which is basically a community where you can start to interact, you can learn more, you get a lot of additional features there. But of course the outlet is still this channel. So if you don't want to join the community, it's cool too. You can still watch the videos here on the channel. There's one challenge which I really needed to address, because today's algorithms in any social media platform has changed dramatically, where you don't have this sustained visibility anymore. You post something and it's gone in 1 or 2 days. And therefore I needed to find a solution where, I do a lot of content, and that this stuff is still visible, and that's why the Academy is there. You have a search option, you can search whatever you need, you find courses, you find anything you like, also all the tutorials which have now completely disappeared on the YouTube channel, and there you still find them, and you still can learn from them, because it's also really helpful content. And also the general new content which is coming will be more in a development of a community feel, which you will see. And these are the major changements. And if you want to join me and Dr. Pink and the rest of the guitars and the Farbmusik on this really cool new journey, really I've been working on a strategy over months. I can tell even more than months, just to find an off-ramp in all these challenges coming. And this will work if you like it, if you want to support it, of course. If I do it only for me and Dr. Pink, no, of course not. So I want to welcome everybody to join this cool journey. It's going to be about guitar playing, about music, also about Farbmusik sometimes, if you love that kind of vibe. But if it's not for you, it doesn't matter, it's just one little segment in the whole thing of the whole creative work which I'm doing, which is now concentrated on that one website. That's about all. And I just want to inform you, if you have been wondering about the changements, well, they're not so big. It's just that the communication is now a little bit different. It has always been that. It's not, basically nothing will change, but the communication is changing now, and I really want to invite you guys out there to become an active member of the community. And if you love what we are doing here, please support it with an active membership in the community. That would be really helpful. That's all so far. See you guys.